The factory receives its materials. Food processing begins under control.
Human precision supports machines.
Ready for selection.
Every modern snake meat processing journey begins in controlled environments.
Precision farming ensures consistency long before processing begins.
Monitoring safeguards quality at the source.
Automation supports uniform development.
Cleanliness defines industrial-scale farming.
Data determines readiness.
Every step follows a controlled plan. Preparation continues before transport. Systems move without interruption. Flow is never broken. The journey advances. Traceability is essential. Timing is precise. From controlled farming, the process moves forward.
This is where controlled production begins.
Access is carefully regulated. Clean design supports safe processing. Preparation happens before production.
Clean transitions are essential.
Movement remains continuous. Flow is paced, never rushed. The system comes alive inside.
Routing keeps order intact.
Transparency meets containment. Safety governs every movement.
Processing now takes control.
The factory receives its materials. Timing defines efficiency.
Human precision supports machines.
The environment is engineered. Cleanliness is built into the structure. From here, transformation begins.
Verification never stops.
Precision begins at intake. Machines perform with consistency. Separation happens in motion.
streams remain separated. Quality control begins immediately.
Systems wait for alignment. Human judgment supports automation.
Consistency is engineered. Nothing interrupts flow.
Uniformity prepares the next step.
Cleanliness starts early.
Balance is maintained.
Verification is constant.
The product moves forward.
One phase complete, another begins. Food processing begins under control.
Temperature defines quality. Flow is organized by design. Inspection never slows production. Uniform spacing keeps rhythm. Cleanliness is continuously renewed. Preparation is precise. Machines set the standard. Consistency is built in. Accuracy is confirmed. Refinement continues. Efficiency leaves nothing behind.
The next transformation begins.
Cleaning is systematic. Motion improves coverage. Waste is immediately removed.
Contact is controlled.
Treatment is precise.
Standards are checked. Curing begins under controlled conditions.
Accuracy defines consistency.
Formulations are precisely prepared.
Environment is tightly controlled. Time and motion work together.
The cure settles in.
Stability is essential. Machines set exact limits. Uniformity is engineered. Flow stays uninterrupted. Consistency is refined. Details are perfected. Visual checks remain vital.
Human oversight continues.
Preparation nears completion.
The product advances.
Another phase is complete.
Form is stabilized. Balance is maintained continuously. Moisture control begins.
Drying reaches completion.
Precision takes center stage. Every gram is measured.
Handling remains controlled.
Flow is designed, not improvised.
Data travels as fast as materials. Transport ends where processing begins.
Protection adds resilience.
Compliance is continuous.
Stability is ensured.
Conditions remain controlled.
Distribution is prepared.
The journey continues.
Cold chain integrity holds.
Logistics align again.
Flow never stops.
Precision, direct supply.
Final handling begins.
Presentation matters.
Ready for selection.
Choice meets process.
The chain nears its end. Final verification.
Recorded and complete.
And this is how modern factories produce snake meat from start to finish.
Comment what's next.